people, in this video I'll show you my new toys, or should I say goodbye Sony, hello Jabra. This is my old headset. It's with cable and it's very annoying because my phone does not have a jack and I must connect with this adapter with USB and connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect. So I'll ruin that charging port. So I'll give up those. This is my new toy, Jabra Elite 45H. Just purchased them on Black Friday now at $63, and let's see what's inside. As you can see, sealed here and here, and let's open it. Nice bag and the headset. They can be folded. Charging port on off. You also have a cable, USB-C, warning and declarations, and it seems that's all. As far as I read on the internet and some other reviews, there's an app called Jabra Sound. You can install it from Google Play or iStore, and you can configure your headset like equalizer, sound, bass, blah blah blah. And those are the toys. And we have power. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.